What's up guys, welcome back to Apple Refresh, and today I have the new Phone Rebel Gen 3 Frosted Clear case, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and give you guys my very first impressions. Okay, so here I have the Phone Rebel Gen 3 Frosted case. This is the completely clear one with the MagSafe, as you can see. On the front, we've got the raised picture of the case with, you can kind of see the 13 Pro camera outline right there. It says Phone Rebel Frosted Gen 3. On the side, we have a little pull tab with the side of the case that says 13 Pro. On the back, we have a bunch of stuff. It says engineered for comfort and durability, inner shock absorbing bumpers. Frosted texture feels like matte back glass, like the back of the glass on your iPhone, if you have the Pro models. MagSafe compatible, strong magnet hold. This case is the same magnet strength as Apple's clear cases, but the Rebel Gen 3s are actually 30% stronger than Apple's OEM cases. Easy swipe all directions, aggressive edge guards top and bottom, and believe it or not, I've actually never cracked a phone with the Phone Rebel case, so we'll see about this one. And then the box includes the premium case, premium glass screen protector, microfiber cloth, and cleaning wipe. Install the screen protector. But yeah, now I'm gonna pull on this little pull tab because it should make it easy. Okay, these pull tabs are not great at all. They keep messing up like that. See there, it just pulls the top off. Same thing happened with the Rebel case, so yeah, he definitely needs to work on these pull tabs. They're not great. I'm gonna try and finish it real quick off camera. Alright, well, a bunch of parts and pieces later, we finally have the side opened up, so now we can open it up. Here on the front, we have thank you for supporting us, Gen 3 Phone Rebel Frosted series with a bunch of stuff. You can read that if you want to pause it. And then here is the case itself. In it, we have the screen protector and other things just for like to save space in the box. I'm gonna set that to the side for now and take a look at this case. Alright, so first impressions, it is matte on the back. I don't think as much as Apple's matte, but I think that's also because Apple uses glass and this is just plastic matte, but it still is definitely matte and not shiny at all. The inside is shiny, but that's fine because it goes on your phone. I really like the metal silver buttons. Those really add to it a lot. And the inside text Phone Rebel Gen 3 Frosted series, I think that's pretty cool along the MagSafe line. But yeah, now let's take a look at what's in the screen protector package. So we have the FlowLab Nano Armor screen protector. From what I've heard, these are great screen protectors. I currently don't use a screen protector. I might install this on mine. But yeah, pretty good deal considering you get this really high quality case and also a nice screen protector, not like a cheapo one. And then you just have the cleaning wipe and microfiber cloth and the dust sticker. Alright, so now I'm going to switch cameras and put my iPhone 13 Pro in this case to see how it looks. Alright, I've switched cameras, and as you can see, I have my iPhone 13 Pro in the Rebel Gen 3 case. If you want to check out the unboxing and first impressions of this case, click the eye in the corner now. But yeah, I've been using this for like 2 days. I love it so far, but I want to test out this Frosted series. So I'm going to pop it out of this one. And I, of course, have the Sierra Blue one, which I think personally would go best with the clear Frosted case. But yeah, let's put it in now. Alright, there we go. There's the Phone Rebel Gen 3 Frosted Clear case on the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, it feels very similar to the Rebel series, but that's because they both are basically the same case, just with different materials and textures in some places. I like the frosted feel a lot, and I also do really like how this white and like the clear frost goes with the blue. It makes it look like an Arctic blue, which I think is pretty cool. Here's the bottom of the case with the cutouts. Here's the side with those metal buttons that I like. Those are a great touch. The other side here and the front, I love the attention to detail all over the place. It just looks super futuristic with all the angles and cuts. He did a great job designing this case. But yeah, as of right now, my first impressions of this case, I do like the textured feeling a lot, and I think it looks great with my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro, and I can tell it's high quality and isn't going to get all warped and gross like most clear cases. But for a full review on this case and also the Rebel series Gen 3 case, stay tuned. I will have one out very shortly. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. And I'll see you all in my next video.